guys are gonna do magic. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Think, touch the pig. Pig.
Hey, what is Jason doing? No magic.
Guys, I'm gonna do blue.
Hey, Jason, no magic. Don't do it.
Focus, focus. Now.
No. Jason! 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 Where's Jason? Huh? Where's Jason?
Time for more magic. Yay! Change the color. Are you ready? Let's do it! So green, I knew it was going to be green because... Awesome! Yeah. Ta-da! Now we have green water.
Jason?
Yes.
Are you doing magic again?
No, this is not magic. The other one was magic.
I think it is magic.
No, this is not magic. This is magic.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Stop! Stop! Stop!
No!
No! Stop! Stop! No magic!
No! Alex can't see me. Time for the next magic trick. Ready, guys? Oh yeah! And boom! Whoa! It's gonna pop! Oh no! Go away! Yeah! Okay, guys. I can fix this. So I put it away. 3, 2, 1, and whoa! Now two at the same time. 3, 2, 1.
Jason, is that magic again?
Yes, but you hold it.
Okay, we'll hold it. Whoa, 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 no, no, whoa, whoa, no, 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 whoa. Jason, that was magic. I don't like magic.
Now my last magic trick. Let's go. Okay, let's start the trick.
Jason, magic?
No, this is science experiment.
Wow, can I help you?
Yes, of course. Take some metal.
Okay. And now what?
Put it in the cola.
Okay, let's go. Together. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, 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 whoa!
Cool!
Guys, I like science.
Me too. Thanks for watching, guys, and click the subscribe button and notification. Bye-bye.